What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling Maya's hair in this very simple, very beginner friendly ponytail style, and she's going to have some bobbles and some beads. She's still young enough to like those styles, so I'm gonna keep doing them until she, says, "Mommy, I'm too old for that." But anyway, so I'm gonna start out by parting from ear to ear. Also, you saw me spraying in some leave-in conditioner. That's the Cream of Nature Strengthen and Shine leave-in conditioner, and I like it. It's a water-based conditioner, so it's very light, and her hair is pretty much dry. So and the reason I haven't been using the heavier conditioners is because, as y'all know, I tend to use hair grease, and basically hair grease is very heavy and I don't want a lot to build up in her hair. So I use light products anytime I use any type of heavy grease or anything like that. So this is the Main Choice Daily Hair Dressing. It's also pretty light. I like it. I kind of use this to put in her scalp, but it definitely does not do what Blue Magic does as far as shine and how long it lasts and all of that. But it is like hair food, and it's really good for her hair. So I do like it. I do recommend it. It doesn't leave buildup or anything, but it is a very light kind of pomade, is how I would describe that. So I'm gonna do one small ponytail and one big ponytail in the top, and that's basically it for the top. I'm also going to be using this curl piece braiding and twisting grip glaze. Y'all, I like this more and more the more that I use it. And it's funny because if you saw the video where I reviewed this product, I wasn't crazy about it, but I find myself using this for every single style. Also, this is the rubber bands I use for this particular style. I get a lot of you asking what rubber bands I use. I just pick up whatever's at the beauty supply, or I use a super stretch bands from Walmart. It's a red and yellow package, and it's usually 100, I think it's 100 bands in there. But anyway, yeah, I find myself really loving this grip glaze because, especially on her hair specifically, it just really lays her hair down without using any type of gel or anything like that. I probably like it as much, if not more, than the Style and Shine, the Talia Wajid. And the reason I like this one better is because the Style and Shine tends to leave a little bit of buildup, and this product does not. So I also added some beads to this ponytail, and I'm going to be adding beads to the other ponytail as well. So yeah. For the back of her hair, I'm just gonna do 2 ponytails. I'm gonna do a ponytail on the bottom and then a bun on the top. By the way, I'm just doing a 2-strand twist for the ponytails because I know I sped it up and it's kind of hard to tell what I'm doing there. So I'm just doing simple 2-strand twist and then putting beads on it. So for this ponytail, I'm gonna do split the hair in half and do 2-strand twists, and then I'm going to just wrap it around itself to form a bun, and then put a bobble around it to jazz it up. And this is the whole style. It's really nothing to it. This is definitely a beginner style. This is one of those everyday styles for school, or you're trying to rush and get out, or if you don't know how to do, you know, a bunch of styles, but you want your child to look put together. This is the perfect style for that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me, she's so silly. Please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe, and for all of you who said that I was in your prayers, thank you so much. That means the world to me. And until next time, peace.